Okay, I'm going to make this part, which happens to be another bracket like this one. So, just a place to hang a drill. So I've already made one, and I want another one for my impact. So, got everything zeroed here on this piece of steel. And for whatever reason, I have to unplug the power to my laptop. If I have power plugged in, this thing quits running. So I figured out if I unplug the power, it fixes the problem. At least I hope so. So here we go. I'm going to start the program. You can see Z-axis, see that little thing spinning there? It is adjusting for the height of the material in this last cut. And get some water on this thing. We can. Oh well. I can't get the barn out of there. Didn't quite get that last part. But there it is. So, got these slots here so I can bend it a little easier, and then I'll just weld those up. 3 mounting holes, and there it is. So here's the cut quality, if it'll focus. And it's not going to focus. There we go, maybe. Nope. Either way, so there's the part. Scrap steel turned into something useful. So, new addition to the shop. I made the this bracket here as well, so I could stick my laptop on here. But everything works well. So all in, I spent $700 on the plasma cutter. Has CNC ports on the back, which is why I bought this particular one. It's a 60 amp. The one on top is for the voltage, for the height control. The one on bottom is for the torch firing. So those go here. Now this particular plasma cutter, this is raw voltage. So this is going into the height controller here, and it's raw voltage. You do not want to go into the other port. So this is 100 and something volts when it comes in, not divided voltage. And then that all gets piped in here. So one of these is for telling it to fire the torch, and one is for the height control. So torch firing, height control. So either way, so $700 for this, $3,500 for the table, $400 for the little tiny box over there so the height control would work, and $300 for this machine torch. I found it on eBay. And a week after I bought it, it disappeared, and you can't buy them anymore as far as I can tell. So that's it. I'm using Amazon consumables, and I've cut quite a few pieces. You can see some tests here and some failures and things like that, but it works pretty well. So I am going to redo the water table. I don't like the way this thing's put on here. You've got sheet metal screws somewhere in here under these little dividers holding the table to the legs, and it is silicone. So this is two pieces, and you put it together. You basically put silicone on it and bolt it together, and as you can see, I've got a leak. So I bolted it together, waited a little over 24 hours before I ever put water in it, and it still leaks. So I'm going to make one big table out of 1/8 inch